here. Great.
Yeah, we had a lot out of it.
Yeah, I saw that. It was Thursday was like a big downpour, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh man, I heard about that. Do you want me to grab the line and
Huh?
do you
Yeah.
want me to- okay.
I know they don't really need roosted in that, but I was thinking they have a special food.
There's certain types of feed that you can give them.
Yeah, just for laying.
Because
Like they eat just
you want
type of.
you want to give them a little more calcium, like a little more stuff, so they can build a better shell. And
Yeah.
I thought the chicken ate the rooster. Really tough. So they can have it. Every day you learn something.
No. Oh, that was you guys who come on the plane yesterday morning with us with some chickens.
oh,
in the
yeah,
exactly. Yeah. Because someone was saying, why bring chicken on Staniel when they have a lot of chicken on Staniel?
Well, there's a lot of like wild guys running around and stuff like that. Right?
Yeah.
They're all over the place. I mean,
Right, they're all over the place. They're the same chicken with can lay the eggs.
Those lay. I mean, those guys will lay eggs too. But the thing is, like, I mean, since they're running wild, I mean, like, you have to keep if you keep them in one spot, you can and if you make sure that you know where they're nesting, you can find the eggs and everything like that. But since they're running around right now, there's no way to get.
But these chickens which you guys bought, I was thinking there was some special chicken that lay egg faster than the regular ones.
These actually, yeah.
Because our chicken, the regular ones with running wild, they don't lay egg that fast.
No.
No, you gotta be waiting for them to lay eggs.
You just say follow up on it.
But you have to be like searching for them and stuff, right?
You know what I mean? No, I was thinking they give them the type of food so they can lay egg faster. They have a solution with what you can give these chickens so they can grow fast so I can eat them quick.
You can struck all this stuff. Yeah.
The more you rain, the more they bring it. Yeah, the more you do it. That's how we see them taking it.
So you made like 2 coops. So this is like more for like maybe like 8 to 10 chickens. So it's a little bit larger. And there's another one we made like where it's just like maybe like 2 or 3 chickens, just like for someone's backyard or something.
Yeah.
The kids are going to be able to walk in and collect their eggs.
All right. So you all to put something that have easy access to collect the eggs, right? I mean for a bigger person.
Yeah. I mean, so the thing is that like, it's not. Let me show you actually on the front over here. So there's going to be it's going to be kind of like a big this is going to be all fenced in over here. And there's going to.
It sounds interesting.